A secret dumpling box!
LaLiLu, open it already!
Hold on, I'm doing it.
What do you think we'll get? Comment below.
Come on, open it! Wow, there are duckies!
So cute!
Where's the dumpling? What are we supposed to play with?
Don't be sad, sweetie. We'll make a dumpling ourselves.
Out of what, Lali?
Out of a balloon, of course.
And what do we do with it?
Let's go.
Lali, where are you going? Oh, wait, let me grab it. It deflated.
That's funny.
Okay, time to start crafting. I twist the tip of the balloon with a rubber band. It should form a tiny tail. Turning it inside out.
Oops! It's stuck. Let me help. Oh! Oops! Done!
Thanks, bestie. Now we need to fill it.
Glue? Oh, we'll turn it into slime.
I squeeze it into a container so it covers the bottom. Next, I take pink acrylic paint. I add a bit to the glue.
And lots of glitter. Now some blue.
Wow, this is gonna be awesome! I mix it with a stick. Now I'll need gloves. And knead it really well. The slime turned out perfect.
Put it in the balloon.
Wow, it's so stretchy. I tie it and cut off the tip, drawing a cute little face. And here's our tiny dumpling.
Amazing! It's so fun.
Here you go.
So soft. Such a great stress toy. Awesome.
I want to play too. Zoe, wait.
Oh, I'm getting hungry. Okay, nothing here. Maybe there's food in the fridge? Still nothing. But I'm so hungry.
Hey, Lali, take another look.
My notebook? Well, I guess I'll have to eat it. Wait a second. There are tons of recipes here. Hot dogs? Nah.
Woo.
Berry dumplings. LaLiLu, let's cook.
Of course, Chef Lali. Follow me.
Here we go.
Okay, we've got berries, banana milk, cream, and flour. Oops.
You're all messy. Let me clean you up. All right, time to make the dough. I add a few spoons of flour. Now I need milk. Pouring it into the bowl.
Let me mix it. Mix, mix, mix. Done, LaLiLu.
You did great, Lali. The dough is perfect.
Let's color it.
Okay, I divide the dough into 2 parts. One half will be pink, and the other one blue.
Let me mix it.
Wait, first we need protective gloves.
I think I already have a full protective outfit.
I'll tie it in the back and it'll fit just right. Here, take the blue half.
Mamma mia! Yay! Sounds like a job for Lali.
I knead the pigment really well. It has to spread evenly. Done! You're amazing, bestie! I lay out the dough, sprinkle a little flour, roll it into a super thin sheet, cut out circles using a container, remove the extra dough. I added whipped cream, then berries. Carefully pinch the edges. Look at these adorable dumplings. Time to place them in the pot. Bottom layer and top layer. Perfect, there are 2 sections.
And the last one will be special. It's multicolored.
Awesome, it looks so pretty. I cover it with a lid and place it on the stove.
Is it ready yet? What about now? I can't wait. I really want to try them already. I'm done waiting.
These dumplings turned out so cute.
Here are my treats. Ooh, finally. Yum, yum.
Enjoy your meal, girls. I'll add a little.
Woo!
And some sweet sprinkles.
Hey, what are you doing? I want the last dumpling. Zoe, it's mine.
While you were arguing, I already ran away.
Huh?
Oh, wait, where are you going? LaLiLu, I've got an idea. Check this out.
What is it? I can't see anything. What if I use a magnifying glass? Oh, this phone's too tiny. I'll grab mine. This craft?
Yes, yes, easy peasy. Aha, chenille wire, just what I need. LaLiLu, your hands are bigger. You do it.
Okay.
Whoa, I don't need that much.
We'll need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wires. I fold them in half. Now hang 4 of them in the middle of the 5th one. Twist the ends, then bend them down. Great! I spread everything out. Shape it in this way. I'll need 4 more pieces just like this. Apply glue and connect all the parts together. Just a little more and the fluffy dumpling will be ready. I'll need some hairspray to lock the shape.
Woo! LaLiLu, let's add some glitter too.
Huh? Oh, totally. Now we can attach the eyes.
And this is for the smile.
Oops, the wire's too wide. I'll trim the extra. Bend the tip. And voila! Pop, aren't those the cutest cheeks? Such a cutie pie. Now I'll make a box for this little one. I'll start with the lid. Cross the chenille wires. Weave them with another wire, up, down, up, down. Follow me, it's easy. You can stick some tape underneath to help hold the shape. Twist the ends like this. Oh, I'll also need to make a handle. I'll cut off anything in the way.
LaLiLu, I made a box too, look! Baby dumpling.
All set, I'm closing it.
Wow, now open it! What? Where's the dumpling? Where are you? Slime? I've got an idea. Let's turn it into a new dumpling.
Sounds awesome. Let's take the slime out of the jar. It's so stretchy.
I love stress relief toys. We need to add glitter.
Pour it right here.
There's no such thing as too much sparkle.
And let's add some bigger glitter too. It looks absolutely magical.
Woo. It needs a face. Ta-da!
What a cutie, my Mr. Slimepling.
I'll grab a box.
Lali, look, it melted everywhere.
Oh, we need to shape it. I got it. Plastic wrap.
Great idea, bestie. I line the container with wrap. It'll be easier for you here, mister. Cutting off the extra. Now I can twist it. And tape the tip. Then I'll stick the eyes back on, drawing a smile with a marker.
This is fire. I need to post it on my page. Smile! What do you think of my dumpling? Drop a comment. Give it to me. I want to squish it too.
Here you go.
It's so soft.
Sky high.
Dumpling, where are you? Come on, fall back down. That's not funny.
Looks like another surprise is waiting for you.
Pom-pom rain. 6, 7. They're so fluffy. Aww.
What do we need them for?
Let's make a fluffy dumpling.
Great idea. I've got some velvety plush fabric. Lay it out on the table. I'll need a pattern like this. Trace it with a marker. Cutting it out with scissors. Super duper. Needle and thread right here. Look, I'm sewing hands-free. The dumpling looks amazing. Filling it with pom-poms. And tightening the bottom. Yep. Cute eyes, rosy cheek, a smile. This is beyond adorable.
Ooh, it's exactly how I wanted.
And super comfy, too. With a dumpling like this, who needs a bed?
Hey, followers, check out my new fluffy dumpling chair. So many likes and comments already.
Wow, a rainbow appeared.
Ooh, so pretty. I want a rainbow dumpling for my collection. Come on, share the supplies.
Whoa, even I don't have that much light clay.
Whee! Did you see that? Jumping! This is so fun. Oops, I'm sinking.
We'll need clay in every rainbow color. Yep. Let's go! Red, orange, yellow, green, light blue, blue, and purple. I roll each color into a separate ball. Now stack them. Gently press each piece. Easy peasy. I curl it into a circle, shaping it with my hands.
We need to add folds.
Let's make them with a sculpting tool. I still have the wrap. So I cut a piece of the right size. Great! Wrap the dumpling so the clay won't dry out. Drawing a winking face. And blush in little heart shapes. Wow, it's so cool and soft.
Wow! Wait, it even bounces.
Great job!
LaLiLu, catch! I want the biggest dumpling in the world. Oh, what's that?
Orbeez beads. So slippery and fun.
Ooh, yeah, that's exactly what we need. A real Orbeez pool. This is so fun. Look what I around.
Great, pour them into the balloon.
We're about to make such a cool dumpling.
Now we need to add water. A little more, and some more. Great, now we just wait for the gel beads to grow.
Wow!
It turned into a huge dumpling.
Just like you wanted. It's a vibe. I've never seen anything like it.
We need to add a face.
What would I do without you? Pass me the foam sheet. I draw circles with little highlights inside. 2 stripes on a pink background, cutting along the outline. Done! Awesome!
Hop.
Oh, it turned out super cute! So soft and bouncy! Roll over it, Lali!
OMG! This is my dream dumpling! Whee! It's like a real trampoline! Look, I'm not falling! And ta-da! Wow, we made so many dumplings today! Which ones did you like the most? Tell me in the comments.
Who's been crafting dumplings this whole time, but still has no dumpling look?
Oh, that's me! LaLiLu, I need a new look!
Gotta think. Oh, I've got it!
Hey! Wow!
Is that a new dumpling? Please, please let it be pink. And… yes, exactly what I wanted!
I'm glad you like it. I need to cut it to make a skirt. Take out the slime. Did you know what's inside dumplings?
Huh?
I'll craft the outfit from this.
I'll help.
First, I need it to hold its shape. I know. I'll need a plastic lid. Put it on like this. What do you think?
Is it a hat?
No, bestie. Look. A stress relief skirt. Now for the top. I glue on sticky tape and attach the sleeves. Decorate it with glitter. Shiny vibes. I finish the look with decorative tape.
I've got something.
Thanks, Lali. Let's see. Such cute little pieces. Perfect for decorating the hairstyle. You can never have too many hearts. All right, time to change the shoes. Like, this looks even cuter. The stylish dumpling-themed outfit is ready. Perfect. She looks adorable. It suits Lali so well. What do you think, bestie?
I feel like a dumpling princess.